Pero, eto pa, narinig natin na mayroong Oplan pursuit. Pakita na lang na inaamin at pinagmamalaki ni General Torre. Sabi niya, hindi ito spur of the moment. Huwag kayong maniwalang spur of the moment dahil matagal ko nang pinaplano ang Operation Pursuit.
Paano yung, kasi kailangan nyo po talaga siyang ilipad sa daig no matter what on that day. So paano po ibinaba sa inyo ni PNP Chief Marbil na how did he say that to you? Na no matter what, we need to fly the former president to the Hague and we need to implement the ICC arrest warrant?
Arrest him and bring him to the Hague. Yun lang. Simple as that. Arrest him and bring him to the Hague. Sagot ko lang, sir, bigyan mo ko aeroplano. O di ayos.
And then the rest, you planned everything.
Pero matagal na yun eh. Ang plano na yan, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment eh. Matagal na yan. Nagkataon lang na talagang yun, the opportunity arose.
Ayan, maliwanag, may Operation Pursuit, sabi nga ni General Torre, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment. Inutos ni General Marbil, ang Chief PNP, and the operation was planned as early as January 2025. So hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na madalian at waring nakita ko bit-bit ni General Torre nung pumunta siya dito sa first hearing dahil pinagmamalaki nga niya na napakakapal nung plano niya. Ang Oplan Pursuit 80 pages. At maliwanag na ang PNO had prepared a secret plan, Oplan Pursuit, to detain PRRD, including scenarios of arresting him either in Manila or Davao. It also contained maps of properties of the former president, his partner, his allies, with arrows labeling the nearby streets where the PNP could access the property. Sana hihingi ako ng kopya nitong 80-page plan called Operation Pursuit. At gusto ko rin sana malaman, katulad ng sambayanan, kung kailan nag-umpisa to. Dahil obviously, itong Operation Pursuit was concocted weeks, if not months before March 11. Panay ang sabi nila, nagulantang daw sila nung dumating nung March 11 ng umaga. Pero mukhang hindi naman yata totoo to. Hindi naman yung Interpol o yung diffusion notice na dumating ng March 11 ng 3 a.m. ang nag-umpisa nitong lahat. Kundi, nung nakaraang taon pa, Mayo pa lang, klarong-klaro na.
Madam Chair, may I move that this committee issue a subpoena duces taken to the PNP to produce that document?
Madam Chair, before you rule on that, did the cabinet secretaries also submit already the whole video? Kasi they said last time
Putol.
na they will submit their version of the whole video. Kasi I agree with Senator Bato that any piece of evidence that is not confidential or does not violate national security should be handed over so that we can be fair to them, diba? We don't want to come out with reports then sasabihin nila ay hindi yan yung nasa buong video, ay hindi yan yung nasa plano, diba? So maybe we can request them and then if they don't give it then we subpoena it. But I submit to you, Madam Chair.
Yes, I'm in full agreement with both our senators, and certainly the comment that there was no plan until they received the Interpol warrant or diffusion order is highly doubtful. Pati yung New York Times, alam yung balita tungkol sa plano. Bakit tayo walang maibigay na plano sa ating komite? Pagkatapos yung complete video na hinahanap ni Senator Cayetana, tama po kayo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nabigay.
Pero baka kasi kasama sa 80-page plan yung paghuli kay Senator Bato. So hindi talaga pwedeng ibigay muna sa atin.
Senator Bato, anong comment nyo dan?
I'm waiting.
Magkapit bahay tayo O sige. Ang liwaliwanag na meron talagang extensive and exhaustive plan, 80 pages. Then the administration was already anticipating the application for a warrant of arrest and the issuance bear off. It's also apparent there was some kind of communication and coordination with the ICC. It's well known that some officials of the DOJ, as well as high-placed officials from other departments and from other branches of government already visited The Hague and perhaps even met the president of the ICC in Japan. So we are very deeply concerned about this contradiction in the claims. Kasi ang liwaliwanag na may communication and coordination na, tapos may sinasabi pang mga official channel through DOJ sa The Hague, backdoor channel. Bakit tinatago pa ng gobyerno? Tapos na to eh. Tapos na ito, hindi na siya national security issue. How could the administration have known for weeks, if not months, in advance that the ICC will issue a warrant of arrest if, as claimed by the Secretary of Justice, the country was not communicating with the ICC? Parang hindi ka panipaniwala na gulat naman tayong lahat. So
Madam
sana yan klinaro nila. Yes, Senator Cayetano.
On your point that feel free to interject, just on the point of ongoing investigations, o may kaso ba? I was really deeply disturbed and shocked when Secretary Boying Remulla told us that lahat nung this is my words, so will refer to the record naman sa eksakto niyang sinabi at yung terminology, but sabi niya, Senator Bato, nung huling hearing na parang lahat, and you might want to refute that if you have information, but sabi kasi niya lahat daw nung wrongful death po yung ginamit niya ay wala daw record, walang blatter, wala daw talaga. Tapos halimbawa may gunshot wound, tapos nakalagay cardiac arrest, di ba? I don't know if that is cardiac arrest because of I don't know, but ang point ko lang, na-surprise at na-shock ako because when I was in the cabinet, before kami mag-explain abroad, hindi binubunot sa hangin yon. Nagmi-meeting yan, whether with the DILG or whether with the Chief PNP. I have had several meetings with Senator Bato when he was Chief PNP and I was still a senator. Kasi hindi naman ako magsasalita dito na hindi ko muna tinanong sa kanya. So, aside from yung mga ni-reveal mo na very telling details, I think we owe it to the public. Yung sinabi po ng, let me frame it this way, no? Kung pro Duterte ka, you want accountability. Yes, but we want accountability here in the Philippines at yung tamang process. Kasi two wrongs does not make a right. If you are anti-Duterte, you also want accountability. But you also want to do it right. Because two wrongs doesn't make it correct. Meaning, kung ma-dismiss yan sa ICC o kaya mag-change ng administration, balik na naman. So, whether you're pro or anti-Duterte, we want the rule of law. Gusto natin tama. Last point lang, Madam Chair. Yung chilling effect, di ba? So kapag yung pinag-uusapan whether yung warrant arrest sa mga cyber libel or, tignan nyo po ilang taon na ba? 2016, 2025. 9 years ko nang kadibate si Senator De Lima, just like some others of us, former Senator De Lima. 9 years, di ba? 9 years na. Usually, yung usual, 30,000 yan, 16,000. So nagsasagutan kami sa issue. First time na nagdebate kami 2-3 weeks ago, ang una niyang sabi, dapat yan si Cayetano kasama sa ICC. Di ba? And then after that, naglabas sila ng redacted. And then mayroon ding iba, like former Senator Tria. Marami pang susunod dyan. So may chilling effect to. Sa akin okay lang kasi sanay akong takutin di ba? Sanay naman na ganun. But ang point ko lang, Madam Chair, that's why we have to get to the bottom of this. For example, in the case of Senator Bato, kailangan alam natin pagka may lumabas, can he have his counsel of his own choice? Can he be examined by a doctor? Pwede ba siyang mag-resist kasi wala naman Philippine order? Pwede ba siyang isakay bigla sa airplano? Mabigat yan, baka ma-overloading yung airplano. No? So, dinadaan ko lang po sa biro, pero hindi biro yung ito. Let me stop with one example, ma'am, ha? Kasi maraming progressive groups. Siyempre, dahil nga sa history kay President Duterte, so I'll assume good faith sa progressive groups, ha? Assuming na human rights activists sila, assuming na may mga napatay na extrajudicial killing, naisip ba nung progressive groups na yan na pag biglang may nakitang hukay wherever in the Philippines, kahit sabi mo yung hukay na yan ay 20, 30, 40 years na, at may 50 nakalibing doon, or 43, katulad na rin lang nung kay President Duterte. Tapos ang sabihin ng kusino man, let's say retired military or retired intelligence officer, sir, mass grave nung komunista yan. Pinatay yan during 2012. Nung pinatay yan, 2012, may ICC pa. Payag ba tayo na yung mga progressive group, pati yung mga congressmen na progressive group, ay bigla na lang kukunin, isasakay sa airplano, dadalhin sa Hague, na hindi sila makakapunta sa Philippine courts? So whatever kasi we decide here and whatever as a nation we decide, Madam Chair, is applicable to all of us. Di ba yung sinabi ni President Erap na weather lang yan? Kaya kailangan may batas. Para kahit anong weather, klaro yung karapatan mo. So let me stop there, but thank you for that intervention, Madam.